have been pestering me to make a new video. That's right. People have been asking me to make new videos here on YouTube and on Facebook. Why Facebook? I don't know, because somebody posted a video of mine over there without telling me, and it was this particular video that caught everybody's attention, and when it got posted there, it exploded literally in my face, and it got thousands of views overnight for some reason, and I guess people like to be smiled at, right? YouTube, Facebook, people like to be smiled at. So, oh, when are you going to make new videos? When are you going to make us laugh again, Mr. Comiquero, Mr. Manong? That's right, they call me Manong now on Facebook because my video was renamed into Manong, Lakas Tama ni Manong over there. So I got lots of names now. So anyway, I'm trying to think of a few ideas which I can turn into videos, and I would like to ask for your help in making a few of them. And one of the ideas that I thought of was to ask you for your questions. Yes, if you want to see more videos from me, you're going to have to work for it. You're going to have to type in your computer and ask me a question. Ask me an intelligent question, ask me a sensible question, and not a stupid question. Okay? Ask me a question and I will try to answer it in the same manner, intelligently, sensibly. And who knows? So that's your assignment for today, YouTube and Facebook. If you're on YouTube, you post a question in the comment section, or if in Facebook, just post a comment in the comment section here in Facebook, and I will answer the question in my next video. Cat, dog, another dog. What are you waiting for, YouTube? Go ahead and ask the question. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.